Looking to give your kitchen a fresh, stylish look? From timeless classics to bold modern statements, the right colors and materials can completely transform your space. Today, we're exploring the most popular kitchen design trends and how you can bring them into your home. Number 1 trending design: gray on gray. A classic choice for modern kitchens that also works beautifully in heritage homes. Layering gray with textured surfaces like limestone countertops adds depth. Add subtle touches of white to keep the space fresh and balanced. Number 2. Green and timber. A cozy, earthy combination that works in both bold and muted tones. Use rich blackbutt timber, broad green accents, and warm metals like brass or copper. Concrete or lighter tones can balance the palette while keeping it grounded and natural. Number 3. Black kitchens. High contrast and striking, black kitchens make a statement. Use textured stone, marble, or mirrored surfaces to add depth. Warm lighting, light curtains, and textured walls break up the dark tones, making the space inviting. Number 4. Warm neutrals. Layer creams, off-whites, and nudes to create a soft, welcoming kitchen. Timber, soft metallics like gold or bronze, and travertine stone add warmth and luxury. Lighting and textures help maintain a cozy, balanced vibe. Number 5. Modern rustic and minimalist white. Bring character and charm with antique timber, handmade tiles, and textured details. Add pops of color through cabinetry or small accents. For minimalist whites, subtle texture, natural stone, and gentle timber details keep the space dynamic without overwhelming it. Those are some of the most popular kitchen design trends to inspire your next remodel. Which one speaks to you the most? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with all our interior design inspiration videos.